Hey up everyone and welcome to Nerja. Yep, we're on the Costa del Sol today and we're going to have a little walk around this very popular little Spanish town. So if you want to come with me, see what Nerja's all about, come on, let's go. And I've just been told off by Karen because apparently it's not Nerja, it's Nerja. Haven't you, Karen? You've told me off, haven't you? What do you call it?
Nerja.
Mum, what do you call it?
Nerja.
Nerja. Good old typical Yorkshire woman. So we're just walking down one of the back streets in Nerja. Look at these lovely little buildings with the balconies. So we've actually stayed here before in Nerja for the new year. And if you ever come here for the new year, I'd recommend it because it's brilliant. Local fruit and veg. And it is full of these little traditional Spanish restaurants. Let's go and have a look at how much stuff is. Prawn cocktail, €14. Grilled chicken breast, $13.50. Yeah, it's not the cheapest of places. It really is very old and traditional. Very traditional, isn't it, Karen?
It's very quaint.
Very quaint, yeah, it's lovely.
Yeah, there's some lovely restaurants.
You know, we like us curries. Let's go and have a look how much an onion bhaji is. €5.20. Chicken tikka, $10.50, that's not bad. How nice is that? Well, them orange flowers. There they are, cleaning the streets. I love this street, innit? It's lovely, innit?
Cute.
But it's lovely, it's lit up at night.
It is really. Need to get some meat to come.
And we've got an Irish harp bar.
Irish. Yeah, yeah.
With all the football on. Yeah, as you can see on the video, it's a bit overcast this morning, but it's still 15 degrees and we're in January 2026. Mother, what's your first thoughts?
Very Spanish.
But we're in Spain.
No, it's very Spanish. There's little cobble streets, nice little restaurants.
Yeah.
Ready for a coffee.
No, not yet. We've only just got here.
On the seafront.
A little shop there, selling all the little local stuff that's handmade. We've got clothes shops. And yes, even in Nerja, we've got the tat. Yes, it's here. You love it. Even Father Christmas is still here, look. Fridge magnets galore. Loads more shops. We've got a posh shop here. Look at that. Nice. And look at these for ice creams. Wow. Let me know in the comments below, what's your favourite ice cream? So this here now is the famous Balcón de Europa, and this is where all the New Year's Eve celebrations happen, and it's a lovely, lovely place. Look at this. So yeah, so they set a stage up here, and they have the grape eating and the nighttime celebrations. And just look at the views from here. So you can walk to the end of the balcony, and we'll have a look what the views are from the end, because I can tell you they're spectacular. We've got the Christmas tree at the end of the balcony. You can even go inside this Christmas tree, look. And this is the Hotel Balcón de Europa Hotel, which we have actually stayed in a couple of times, and both for the new year. Lovely hotel that, and it's in a great spot. As you can see, the rooms have got a tremendous view. Right, I seem to have lost everybody. I bet they've gone for a coffee. And yep, I can see them. Always stopping for a coffee. Do you ever not stop for coffee? I've got some filming to do.
What's your dad?
Very, very rarely do we not stop. Do we not stop?
They don't get it, do they, Karen? They don't know how busy I am, and they just keep stopping for coffee. Am I supposed?
It yet.
Have you not?
Not been yet.
Coffee's here. Karen's gone for hot chocolate, and she's actually got my coat on because she's cold. And Mum's got on chocolate, and yeah, Dad's gone for the biggest one, as usual. It's not a bad view to have your coffee in the morning. Right, coffee's had. Let's have a look around this town. And that was the Hotel Balcón de Europa coffee shop. Got a little restaurant here. The Snack Marisal. And in this little square we've got a beautiful church, and as you know, we like a good church, don't we? And like I've said many times before, when we're in Spain we don't go in the churches because they want you to pay. All these little cobblestones. And then opens up into another little square. How nice is this? As you can see, they've still got the Christmas decorations up here in January. The blue lounge bar. That looks very nice. And it's just got loads of these little streets with loads of shops on them. All your leather goods and your clothes. This is a Mexican. €25.50 for Mexican barbecue.
Yeah, we're definitely being in Hemingway.
The busy little cafe here. Plenty at it. There's plenty of people walking about today. We've got a mum, Indian. Mum, is that yours?
Yeah. 40.
A little Thai restaurant there. Very nice. As you can see, plenty of bars, plenty of shops.
How lovely though, just to sit there like that.
Riyadh Moroccan restaurant. What do they do in Morocco? Couscous? Chicken skewers accompanied by rice and salad. €12.
Quite good.
That's all quite healthy, isn't it? How old is that? It's beautiful. It's like a little tapas alley. It's very cute, isn't it?
It's lovely. Yeah, really cute. I'm sure this is where we have the tapas down here.
Oh, that were it, round bar.
That's it, round bar, yeah.
That's the one that's got the things around it.
Beer, or yeah,
This one, yeah, is the one. Is that one?
So that round bar, that tapas bar we've just passed, is one we've eaten in before, and I'd highly recommend it. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's called the round bar because it has got a round bar. And you just go and order a drink, you walk around the round bar and you pick the tapas you want.
This bit anyway, we are going down to the beach bit, isn't it?
Whatever they said. And overlooking the beach here at Nerja, that's where I'm going to finish our little tour. I hope you've enjoyed a little walk around Nerja. I would highly recommend it, especially at New Year. Anyway, please do hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.